wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best 360-degree cameras. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If you're looking to capture animals in their natural habitat, the wildgame innovation's Trail might be the answer. It's designed to be set up in the elements with a durable mounting bracket and an infrared flash that lets it take pictures at night. The required AA batteries will last for up to 6 months, and it offers versatile programming options. However, its maximum video resolution is only 720p. At number 9, while it lacks the built-in review screen of the company's Max model, the GoPro Fusion may offer the best image quality in its price range. It comes with a versatile grip that works a bit like a selfie stick to help you frame shots. It produces very smooth video and is water resistant down to 16 feet, but it takes a while to learn how to use it properly. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the versatile Vuze XR 5.7K can quickly switch from shooting spherical images to creating 3D content at the simple touch of a button, and you can stream directly to your favorite social media site or broadcast to a smartphone for a live view. It's an ergonomic design that stitches images together itself. However, its stabilization is mediocre. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for 360-degree cameras, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the companion app for the Kodak Orbit provides an easy means for transferring videos straight to YouTube or Facebook, though the software can be glitchy at times, so professionals looking for extreme reliability may want to look elsewhere. It is an affordable option with 2 20-megapixel sensors. It's resistant to splashes and freezing. Moving up our list to number 6. As the name suggests, the Meeting Owl Pro is designed specifically for conference calls, rather than for taking vacation photos or creating immersive virtual worlds. It provides a full view of the room, as well as smart technologies that can identify and isolate whomever is speaking. It features a 1080p resolution, along with an integrated microphone and speaker. It works with a variety of software. Halfway up our list at number 5. Rather than relying on a pair of 180-degree lenses to achieve 360-degree imaging, the Insta360 Pro 2 utilizes 6 working together to create 8K 3D virtual reality environments. It comes with a wireless monitoring and control system. It produces high dynamic range video and integrates with Adobe Premiere Pro, but it is a very expensive option. At number 4, with its 5.7K resolution and 50 per second frame rate, the Insta360 One X offers impressive footage. It also shoots 18-megapixel stills with a fast, reliable autofocus and is small enough to carry around in your pocket. It boasts excellent slow-motion capabilities, wireless transfers and previews, and a 60-minute battery life. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Ricoh Theta Z1 is a good choice for those who want control when editing. It can record in RAW, giving you more flexibility for lighting and color correction in post-production software than with other formats. It comes with a large 1-inch sensor and a durable magnesium alloy body. It works well for virtual reality. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for 360-degree cameras, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the GoPro Max provides many of the features you'd expect to find on this company's action cams, but in a much more immersive format. It can connect to mobile devices, on which it supports live streaming at 1080p, or you can download photos and videos to your computer. It makes stitching easy and offers effective image stabilization and a maximum resolution that exceeds 4K. And coming in at number 1 on our list, Although the company's One X remains a good choice for many applications, the Insta360 One R differentiates itself from its predecessor with an LCD touchscreen, upgraded software, and crisper picture quality, especially when shooting in low light. It allows for voice control along with remote control via Bluetooth. It comes with an IPX8 water resistance rating. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for 360-degree cameras, or simply click beneath this video.